The objective of this shipping job is to pick, pack, and ship items. The equipment used includes racks with tubes, warehouse racks with parts, a work table, a computer, a label printer, a scale, and a bander. The tools used include a staple gun, a tape measure, a metal plate, and a Sharpie. The materials used include various parts that are to be packed, boxes and envelopes for shipping, protective plastic, staples, and labels. The personal protective equipment included safety glasses, floor mats. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and no air conditioning. The worker observed was 5 feet 11 inches tall. The work methods for the observed shipping job include getting the order sheet, picking products for order, getting the appropriate box or envelope for shipping, getting and positioning the metal plate flap holder on the box, connecting the air hose to the appropriate staple gun, stapling the box end, repositioning the metal plate, stapling the box end, positioning products in the box, getting protective plastic, positioning protective plastic in the box, getting the staple gun and stapling box ends, getting a Sharpie and writing the order information on the box, writing on the order sheet, folding the order sheet, taping the order sheet to the box, lifting and carrying the box to the computer area, entering order information into the computer, printing a label, positioning the label on the box, lifting and carrying the box to the appropriate shipping location. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the shipping position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium-high pace. Hands were in constant steady motion and exertion to lift, carry, position, and pack product. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing while packing products, using the computer, and using the bander. Continuous neck flexion while packing products. Forceful exertions were required to lift, carry, position, and pack products, boxes, and tubes. Workers lift up to 90 pounds, i.e. a pack of tubes, and position those on a pallet at ground level. Forceful exertions were also required to fold boxes and to use the air-powered stapler to secure box ends. Awkward postures were observed and include elevated arms and neck extension to get boxes from the top shelf of racks, shoulder abduction and adduction, or elevated arm away from the body, while securing box ends with the stapler, neck flexion, shoulder abduction and adduction, and wrist extension to fold box ends, torso and neck flexion or forward bending, torso lateral bending or sideways bending, elevated arms to position items in the box, get packing material, and position the box in shipping racks. Torso and neck flexion while writing with paper positioned on the workbench. Wrist extension while using the computer mouse. Torso flexion, extended arms, and wrist extension to position tubes in the bander. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the hand and the edges of the metal plate, boxes, racks, and workbench. The recommendations for the shipping job include: investigate utilizing adjustable height workbenches to decrease posture stress. Consider using a powered elevating vehicle or long-handled tool to pick product that is at or above shoulder height to decrease posture stress. Consider using rotating lift tables for pallets while building in order to decrease posture stress and forceful exertions. Investigate reducing the weight of assembled/boxed products whenever possible to reduce forceful exertions. Workers lift up to 90 pounds, i.e. a pack of tubes, and position those on a pallet at ground level. Provide lifting instructions that encourage symmetric lifts and discourage asymmetric lifts and twisting to decrease posture stress and back compression force.